If you're an advisor looking for a perfect way to get into video, then I highly recommend that you join Katie's 12-week workshop.
If you have the opportunity, I highly recommend working with Katie and her team.
If you want to get better at video, you're going to enjoy Katie's course.
I really appreciate everything. I've learned so much. I did a video just like this, introducing myself to a brand new lead, and it's paid off dividends. So I really want to say thank you for everything.
I just want to give you 2 thumbs up for your course. I really enjoyed it. It's very helpful.
I'd really encourage you, if it's of any interest at all and you just like to develop and better your video skills, Katie will be able to support you at whatever level you're at.
It's been an amazing journey. I can't recommend Katie. I can't recommend her team enough. Everybody I talked to asked, how did I get started with video? How do I edit my videos? It's advisor video marketing. And Katie Braden, her team, again, is just phenomenal to work with.
If you are interested in video marketing and are scared to do it, take her course. She's been a tremendous help to me in my business and helping me grow it.